Hour later, still outside. As soon as we go outside, you stay inside, Bella. Bella, go back inside. Yeah, go back inside. Here we go. So we approach. Same thing, different day, different hour, frankly. We've asked them to do something about this. It's obviously the white dog in particular, I believe it's named Daisy, that kind of instigates the issue with the rest of the dogs. But we're supposed to have clients over here at the house, and we can't because we can't use the backyard for classes either because of the incessant dog barking. And in fact, they just installed a doggy door so that they can leave them outside all day long. And they were joking about the last neighbor who was here, who I think reported them as well for the same issue. So it's just, yeah, I know. And if you approach